Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Kautilya IAS. So guys, if you are new to the channel, first make sure hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video, because we come up with such beneficial videos for you all every day. So without any further ado guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, in this video today we'll be talking about, is coaching really necessary guys? I mean, even in all my videos I also suggest you so many coachings, right? But then is it really necessary? Because a lot of aspirants have asked me before and a lot of students also keep asking me, like, is it necessary, can I clear it on my own? So in this regard guys, I would like to share a very detailed answer, or should I say my view on it, so that in the end you can decide it for yourself, that whether coaching is beneficial, or is it important, or is it even required to clear the UPSC exam, which is the toughest exams in the world, or should I say one of the toughest exams in the world guys. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started guys. So guys, now let's talk about some of the benefits of coachings guys. Like coaching classes for any other exam, they help the aspirants with material, notes and guidance for preparation. So yes guys, this is one point that we have already discussed so many times in this series of IAS preparation videos guys, that the coaching provide you with the basic foundation guys, because as a UPSC aspirant you pretty much have to cover a lot of things in a very short amount of time, and that too guys, you are like going to prepare for an exam whose syllabus is infinite guys. Please don't get scared guys me saying this, but yes, so in a coaching guys, the teachers, they are very experienced, and some of them have also cleared this exam themselves, the prelims of the UPSC exam, so they know that what kind of strategy is required to clear this exam, and also notes and materials. You don't have to waste time searching for materials. So since the material is something that is very important guys, I would just like to take the name of Online Khan Market guys. So even if you are someone who don't want to take coaching, Online Khan Market is a place where you can find all the material related to UPSC preparation, and that is, it is a very reliable source guys. So you don't have to worry that they are providing useless stuff. It is a very reliable source. A lot of aspirants have taken the help of Online Khan Market for the search for their material. So yes guys, if you are good quality material for UPSC preparation, so definitely consider Online Khan Market. So guys, moving on, this was point number one. Additionally, since the syllabus of civil service exam is practically everything under the sun, they help to earmark the extent to which one prepares a topic. So yes guys, like I have just mentioned before, the syllabus of UPSC is kind of infinite. So if you are thinking then I will finish all the topics, that is not humanly possible. Please don't get discouraged guys when I say this, that it's not humanly possible, because I'm saying this because hard work is not only going to help you clear this exam guys. Along with hard work, you also have to do smart work, and this kind of smart work is be suggested to you by the faculty at the different coachings guys. So yes guys, they will help you pick out topics which have a more scoring potential than some of the, maybe a topic A is short, but then the scoring potential is very low, but then a topic B is a bit bigger than topic A, but the scoring potential is much more higher. So it's better, I think guys, to study topic B. So yes guys, in this way the faculty at coaching help the aspirants in deciding which topics they should be studying more and which topics they can avoid. Coaching institute also provide an informal group where you can discuss the topics among yourselves, and group study does help in this exam. So yes guys, since you are in an environment where pretty much else is also doing the same thing, you can sit together and do group studies, and this is like a group, informal group guys, because sometimes what happens, even if the faculty is very friendly guys, you sometimes ask something and you still don't understand, and after asking for like 10 times it gets to a point where you feel like you are dumb. So if you have a friend or just someone of the same kind who is doing the same thing. You just all can sit together, or maybe like I'm just giving an example. You can all sit together and discuss the newspaper. You can to and fro have arguments that okay, this is about this article, this is about that article. So in this way, you can go through the entire newspaper and even don't get bored, guys. So yes, guys, being in a group like this has its benefits, but at the same time also has its the demerits, guys, which I think you already understand. So moving on, guys. Also, many candidates take a totally unfamiliar subject like sociology, public enemy, etc. as their optional. These institutes can help prepare these subjects in a short period of time. So, guys, I have also mentioned this time and again in all the videos that choosing the optional carefully is of immense importance, guys. Just going with your graduation subject is not, should I say, recommended, because you have to think about the scoring potential, guys. Because a lot of subjects, guys, even though they are maybe unfamiliar, to have a better scoring potential than subjects which you have maybe heard of, maybe English, computer science, or math. So guys, you have to go through the papers, previous papers, and like then decide that which subject is going to be the best for you. Because a lot of toppers, if you watch their videos, you will come to realize that their graduation subject was different, but then they top this exam in a different subject altogether. So the preparation for this subject, guys, is not that hard, but then with the help of a coaching, guys, the preparation time is shortened, guys, because they have dedicated faculty who have been studying these subjects pretty much all their life, and they will help you easily understand the tough topics, guys. So now we'll talk about the not so beneficial things about taking coaching, guys. So let's start, guys. Let's accept this fact that the subjects of these exams are not rocket science, and most could be understood without much guidance. So yes, guys, even though the syllabus is pretty vast, guys, it's nothing something that you should I say have not studied before, guys, because it's not like graduation, guys, where something totally new has come up. This is all this have you already studied in 10 and 12, guys. Even the should I say toughest parts are not that tough. So if you are a very dedicated and sincere person, guys, you can definitely go through the syllabus without taking anyone's help. The candidate would anyway required to read a set of basic standard books like NCERTs, economic surveys, etc., in addition to the material provided by this institute. So guys, the material provided by the various institutes are obviously very beneficial, because they list out everything in a very systematic and organized manner. At the same time, everything is listed in a very, should I say, point-wise short form factor, so that you don't waste too much time going through like long paragraphs. So obviously it helps the students in like doing revision work or just quickly going through a topic. But along with that, guys, you obviously have to read extra books like the NCERTs. The NCERTs are the holy grail, guys, for any aspirant, and I have again mentioned about NCERTs in pretty much all the videos, that you should, no matter at what point in your preparation you are in, finish the NCERTs as soon as possible, guys, because it is going to make your foundation very strong, and is going to help you like understand the tougher topics and move on through the syllabus very quickly. Unlike other exams, there are really no shortcuts for this exam which can be provided by the coaching institute to save time. At the end of the day, self-study is a must, as many facts have to be learned. So yes, guys, many exams, I mean, I won't say that exams have shortcuts, but then maybe a few exams do have a shortcuts which the coaching institute can teach, but then the UPSC has no shortcuts, guys. The only way is hard work, guys, and for doing hard work, you also have to give time to yourself to understand the topic, because the coaching will make you understand. No doubt you went to the coaching, you started a new topic, but obviously you have to come back up and just go through it once, right, so that you can organize the thoughts in a manner in your mind that you remember them, right? Because information is just thrown at you like this in a coaching, guys. You have to pick those information and then process it and then keep it inside your brain in a way so that you understand that and you can recall it from memory during the time of the exam, guys. Alternate sources, vast online sources are available today that can easily provide free help. Today there are many innovative sources like forums, daily news summaries, daily answer and exam, which could prove more beneficial than coaching institute. So yes, guys, nowadays there are many alternate sources, like even this video guys is an alternate source. Whatever I am saying in this video may be told in a coaching center by a faculty guys, but then this video is also helping you, right? So in this way there are many more free sources on YouTube itself guys, and also throughout the entire internet. You just have to do a Google search and you'll find all those resources guys, and these resources are also going to be helpful to you in the same way coaching center is guys. So yes guys, it's not mandatory that you have to go to a coaching, because free sources are also available, but these are the benefits and demerits. So yes guys, these were a very detailed answer of is coaching necessary or not for a civil service aspirant. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it did help you even a little bit, then make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one guys. Until then, keep preparing.